Are you preparing for Goethe A2 exam and you are not so confident about your speaking or Sprechen module? Then this video is for you. Because in this video, I will explain you, I'll share with you some 50 useful sentences which you can use in your Sprechen module or speaking module. So without wasting any time, let's start with the video. Now I have categorized these 50 sentences into 10 in each section, you can say, in each part. So part by part, we will see here. Now introducing yourself. Guten Tag, ich heiße. Hello, my name is. Ich bin so and so Jahre alt. I am so and so year old. Ich komme aus. I come from. Ich wohne in. I live in. Ich bin von Beruf. Okay. I am whatever your profession. You can fill it here by profession. Lehrer, Lehrerin, arts, engineer. Okay. Whatever your profession. Then sixth one is Ich lerne Deutsch seit einem Jahr. I have been learning German for a year. In meiner Freizeit lese ich gern. In my free time, I like reading. Ich interessiere mich für Musik. I'm interested in music. You are talking about your hobbies. Ich spreche English und Hindi. I speak English and Hindi. You can add here that ich spreche ein bisschen Deutsch. I speak little German. It is up to you. Es freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen. It is nice to meet you. Okay. Now here, 11th one is Ich denke, dass das eine gute Idee ist. Now this is something giving your opinion. I think that is a good idea. Meiner Meinung nach ist das wichtig. In my opinion, that is important. So use these phrases, these sentences. Okay. So your answer will look natural and not robotic. Now, 13th one is Ich finde das interessant. I find that interesting. Ich bin damit einverstanden. I agree with that. You are giving your opinion in this. Das gefällt mir sehr. I like that very much. Das gefällt mir nicht so gut. I don't like that very much. Ich glaube das. I believe that. Vielleicht können wir. Maybe we can. Das ist eine gute Lösung. That is a good solution. Lösung is solution. Ich habe eine andere Idee. I have another idea. So this was all about your, you can say, opinions, right? Now here, the 21st one is, wollen wir zusammen lernen? Shall we study together? Hast du am Samstag Zeit? Are you free on Saturday? Wir wären es mit einem Kaffee? How about a cafe? Wir könnten ins Kino gehen. We could go to the cinema. Kino is cinema. Lass uns 15 Uhr treffen. Let's meet at 3 p.m. 15 Uhr is 3 p.m. in a 24-hour clock. Passt dir diese Zeit? Does this time suit you? Das klingt gut. That sounds good. Ja, gerne. Yes, gladly. Leider habe ich keine Zeit. Unfortunately, I don't have time. Können wir einen anderen Termin vereinbaren? Can we arrange another time? Okay. Or at another time, we can, or another appointment. Actually, officially speaking, termin is appointment. Now we'll see the next set of sentences. Wie heißt du? What is your name? This is like asking questions. Wo wohnst du? Where do you live? Was magst du? Beruflich. Beruflich is, this means by profession, what are you? Okay, was magst du, or what do you make actually, if you translate it literally from German to English? What do you do for work? Beruflich. Was magst du gern in deiner Freizeit? What do you like to do in your free time? This is all about asking questions. Wann hast du Zeit? When are you free? Or when do you have time? You can say. Kannst du mir bitte helfen? Can you please help me? Kannst du das bitte wiederholen? Can you please repeat that? Wiederholen is to repeat. Was bedeutet dieses? What does this word mean? Hast du einen Vorschlag? Do you have a suggestion? Gibt es noch Fragen? Are there any other questions? Okay, so this was all about asking questions. Now ending the, you can say, conversation. Vielen Dank für das Gespräch. Thank you very much for the conversation. Danke für deine Hilfe. Thank you for your help. Das war sehr nett. That was very nice. Ich wünsche dir viel Erfolg. I wish you lots of success. Bis bald. See you soon. Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Until next time. Einen schönen Tag noch. Have a nice day. Alles Gute. All the best. Ich hoffe, wir sehen uns bald wieder. I hope we see each other again soon. Right? So this is like ending of conversation. So these were the 50 useful sentences for your Goethe B1 speaking. I hope this is clear with you. You can use these sentences in your speaking module or expression module. So that's all for today, friends. Subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel, because I usually come up with all these exam related videos for Goethe as well as 12. So don't forget to like and share with your friends. Thank you and bye bye.